Now let us discuss 72. Which mixture of the solutions will lead to the formation of negatively charged colloidal ACI and I minus hole? Here they ask that among the four options by mixing of which solutions will lead to the formation of this negatively charged sole. Let us write the equation of this solution. Silver nitrate reacted with potassium iodide to form the silver iodide plus SO3. By using of excess of potassium iodide, here ACI and I minus sole. Here we observe that by using of excess Ki, ACI and I minus, that is negatively charged sole is produced. Concept of this, that is you have the concentration of Hi is greater than that or equal to silver nitrate. Now let us verify the given options. Here option 4, the concentration of silver nitrate is equal to concentration of potassium iodide 0.1 and 0.1. But we know that the concentration of potassium iodide is greater than silver nitrate. That's why option 4, both the concentrations are equal. That's why option 4 is eliminated. Now let us come to the option 3. Here 2 molar concentration of silver nitrate, 1.5 mole of potassium iodide. But we know that the condition is potassium iodide concentration is greater than silver nitrate concentration. But here in option 3, silver nitrate concentration is greater than potassium iodide. So 3 is also eliminated. That these concentrations of potassium iodide is greater than silver nitrate in both conditions. We observed in option 2 that potassium iodide concentration is doubles the concentration of silver nitrate. That means by doubling of its concentration of potassium iodide, here a high number of K plus is produced which leads to the formation of coagulation. This does not form the negatively charged colloidal solutions. So option 2 is also eliminated. We are left with option 1. That is our correct answer. Why? Because the concentration of potassium iodide is higher than silver iodide only by 0.5 molar. So option 1 is correct, which leads to the formation of negatively charged colloidal solution.